Hey, good morning, guys. Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. I'm going to do a quick micro Bitcoin update here. I've added one more count to the chart as a possibility. During yesterday's video, we talked about this entire structure still being potentially a four-wave because of the corrective nature and corrective characteristics of the entire move. So again, to go over the count, the way that I have it is that this is a one wave up and that we are working on this A, B, and then potentially a C down to the low 25K range or so. And that C wave could be breaking down into this structure here, which would be the 1, 2, 3, and then ABC 4 for this white 4 here, and then potentially an ending diagonal in a corrective sloppy 5-wave structure, which would be a 1, 2, A, B, and then C3 down, and then A, B, C4 up, and then A, B, C5 down, to roughly the same target around 25K as we had just talked about, and then reversing from there. Or this thing is starting to have some characteristics as well of a possible triangle being the same A, B, and then our 1, 2, 3, and then this being an A, this being a B, this being a C, this being a D, and then potentially going to come up and work on our E and then drop out into our final impulse for our fifth wave. So that would be, instead of our 4 being here in an ABC, that would take our 4 and actually move it over here for our potential E wave. So again, not entirely sure how this is going to play out. Triangles are difficult, obviously, to predict. They they don't play out until they play out, really, is kind of the way they work. So we just got to see how this unfolds and what path it decides to take. But ultimately, again, as long as we are below this 27,667, I'm still assuming that this is a 4-wave structure. There's still possibility that this is some sort of an A and this is some sort of an ugly B. And then we have a quick pop up for a C, which would possibly wick above the 50% retracement level of our 2-wave, which would be a deep 4-wave if that did happen. I would not want to see from a bear standpoint, if this is bearish and we are still in a 4th wave, we wouldn't want to sustain a break above the 50% level. So really that would just be, I'd be looking for that to be a wick before then finishing our 5th wave here. So just really depends how this thing pops out. But as of right now, I'm assuming that we will finish this 5th wave down one way or another, down to the low 25Ks. We'll see how it plays out. See y'all later.